Hi guys, I'm just sharing a quick and easy way to make a large bird water feeder or dispenser using an old paint bucket. I've ordered these small self-filling feeding bowls online. They're available on most major online shops and they're also quite cheap. You just need to drill a few holes depending on how many bowls you want to add. As you can see in this video, it's an easy job, only takes a few minutes to do. Please also check out my other video where I'm making a large bird feeder from scrap materials, and the birds seem to be happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out my other videos for more DIY ideas.